situation as well, but ceasefire violations have already been reported. So today at Nowshera, we have seen that there has been the 6th ceasefire violation in the past 24 hours, and also shelling was reported in Rajouri this morning, and it was around 7 a.m. that shelling was reported in Rajouri. Now remember, there have been villages that have been evacuated from near border areas. My colleague Kamaljeet, also Ashraf and Manjeet are joining us on this newscast. Going first across to Ashraf, who's in Kargil. Ashraf, take us through what's the security arrangement ahead of the Home Minister's visit. Also going across to Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, if you can tell us what's on the agenda for Home Minister this morning.
Oh, well, yes, he's been staying at the ITBP camp, and remember, his going to Leh Ladakh is not just posturing, but it's also symbolic that he's been to Kashmir earlier, then to Jammu, and as all-party delegation, he's also headed towards Leh Ladakh, which is an important area in Jammu and Kashmir. But yes, this is also at a time when ceasefire violations are taking place. There's been an encounter in Baramulla just recently. So yes, Pakistan terror groups have been upping the ante, and just across the line of control and the we've seen ceasefire violations taking place. So yes, this is going to be a matter of concern. We do expect the Home Minister to make a statement on that. But more than that, where we're standing in Srinagar right now, there's extreme checking on the roads. We've seen barricades being put up. We've been seeing high level of security. So unprecedented security cover. Yes, there is an alertness, an all-time alert, especially after the Baramulla encounter. But the good news coming in is perhaps the one on law and order situation. After a strict measure and obviously instructions from Ministry of Home Affairs, number of stone pelter leaders were identified, rounded up and put behind bars. We've seen number of stone pelting incidents go down. But even though life may be limping back to normalcy, remember the schools continue to be closed. There seems to be tension still ahead. Most of the shops are still not open. So yes, people do look forward to that. But at this time, there is hardly any semblance to normalcy, even though people continue to be on the roads as such. But again, it's security as well as people's security, which seems to be of prime importance here in Kashmir Valley.
Right. Kamaljeet, let me go across to Ashraf now. He's with us. He is at Kargil, where the Home Minister is expected to be in just few hours from now. So Ashraf, take us through the security arrangements around you, and how and what is on the agenda for the Home Minister this morning as he comes to Kargil.
Devina, basically I want to show here all the topography of Kargil for our viewers. This is the Kargil town, one of the main towns in the Ladakh region of the Jammu and Kashmir state. Basically, this hilly town is on line of control. Just here, there is a lot of presence of armed forces, not only here inside the Kargil town, but all peaks which are around this town are mostly the posts of Indian Army and then Pakistani Army, because this town was targeted in 1999 Kargil war, when most of the damage was seen in this town. So here, already after the tension between India and Pakistan, security situation is very high, and army has been put on high alert. We are seeing for last 3 days, wherever there are army positions, army posts, they are in well preparedness. They are very much alert and are taking all the necessary steps to enhance and to make any kind of rebuff which may be needed if any kind of tension escalates between India and Pakistan. As far as the Home Minister of the country is concerned, he is on the 2-day visit of Ladakh region in Jammu and Kashmir. Yesterday we have seen he was all along the day in Leh town, where he met all the delegations. Now today, early in the morning, he has made a change in his visit, and he just visited Dras for a few minutes, and in Dras he is going to meet some sections of people. Dras town is also a town on line of control.
Okay.
From Dras, he is directly reaching here in Kargil town, where he is going to address a public rally. In that public rally, probably he may give some statements regarding the security scenario of Jammu and Kashmir state.
All right, Ashraf, Kamaljeet, thanks for joining us. Come back to you for more updates. It's the 4th visit of the Home Minister in the past 3 months. First being after Burhan Wani's killing, and now as the situation remains uneasy in the valley, and there's been multiple ceasefire violations by Pakistan, Home Minister visit is being keenly eyed. Getting some breaking news.